Barley water?
Okay. Water.
Nagsigigog sa kakaroon. I'm here in Elephant Mountain. Taka lang. Ulay sa ako, grabe. Tanaw ko. Keep going. Let's keep going. Come on. Tanawa so far. Asa akong gisakaan. All the way na dito sa ubos. Why do you do it to yourself? No, it's for health. Health is wealth, right? And nature is healing. So everywhere I go, the best good ang nature. Well, musaka ko, storeta. Yesterday, I joined a tour, no? Pero, well, sako sa nature, pero dagan siya og kanang city, old street. Well, okay ra pod. Pero wala kay kung happy lahi ra gyud ng nature. I don't know. Ako alam pod na, no? It's like in the middle of the city. Naa ni siya sa Taipei, guys. And basically it's not too far from Taipei 101. Maybe 1 kilometer away. And then you go inside something like a village or something, and then naaday yung bukid. Naipasaka stairs siya tanan. Comfortable siya. Pero huwag sa katas medyo taas-taas gini. Hello! There's the view deck over there. I took a photo. There's a deck where you can take the photo and see the Taipei 101. And yeah, I feel tempted to like, okay, that nice photo, it's good. But now that I'm here, why not take it all the way to the top, right? Okay, let's do that. Hello, silingan diha sa ubos. Naabot na yung parcel sa Shopee. Ang panahog na sa lato ang Itaco. Finally, I made it. I made it on top and down. Ooh, thank you, Lord.